What's up everyone? Thank you all so much for coming back for another video. I appreciate you taking the time to do so. Also, thank you all so much to those of you who have subscribed. And if you are new here, do this favor for me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as leave me a like on this video, because you know we have the police algorithm, and make sure that we can continue to grow the channel, share this video with more people, and you know, just overall make the calligraphy and design industry that much better. And in today's video, I'm just going to be talking about calligraphy mistakes and how to fix them, because calligraphy, it is something that there are so many small mistakes that we make and never get taught on how to fix them. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you a bit about how I go about fixing the mistakes. And with that said, let's go ahead and get into the video. Right now, the very first thing we're going to talk to you about is flourishing. Flourishing, if you are unfamiliar with what flourishing is the decorative elements where people write a word and then you see all these swashes and loops going off the letters, and it's really making a piece look more intricate, delicate, and beautiful. So with flourishes, it is so easy to overdo them. And you know, when I say overdo them, it's easy to get to the point where you're doing so many flourishes that it looks like spaghetti on your paper. You want to keep them short and keep them simple, depending on what you're going for, because flourishes, they should not take away from the letters and words that you're writing. They should add to it. And the next one is tracking. So the tracking your letters is a spacing in between letters, and it is something that I feel is always going to be things that we can improve on. So starting out with getting the spacing down with your words, not with your words, with your letters. You know, focus on writing shorter words at the beginning and really getting your confidence up and your skill up and training your eye. And there is like something on my glasses. Because if you want to focus on long words at the beginning, you're going to make so many mistakes, and it's like you're going to take so much time away from writing shorter words that can really help move you forward and to get your skill level up quicker. But you know, I say quicker, you still gotta practice. And last but not least, this is so important. You gotta have the right frame of mind and the right environment to write in, because I have constructed my area where I film my videos at, where you're watching currently, that this area for me is comfortable. I enjoy everything that I see around. I like having my computer desk by a window to have some light that comes in, as well as, you know, just figure out what works for me. Maybe one day I will want to write outside, but you know, you just have to find the right environment that works for you, because the wrong setup and area to write in can make the overall project and writing experience unenjoyable. And if you do that long enough, eventually you're going to get tired of it, and it's not going to be as smooth as it should be. All right, that is just a few of the things that I do to help me fix my calligraphy mistakes. One, having the right area to write in and the right environment. Number two, the spacing between my letters. I always, you know, train my eye and continuously work on trying to get that better. And then number 3, flourishing. Not everything needs flourishes. Sometimes just having the words beautifully written is enough. So don't think you need to flourish everything, because you do not. And I will see you on the next video. Peace and love.